Did you know that the human DNA inside each cell is longer than you are, but packs down into a space smaller than a full stop? Did you know that apparently human DNA stretches from the Earth to the Moon and back 600 times? Greetings from Ivan. In this video, you are going to look at the definition of genetics and its terms. Our beloved viewers, especially those who are new, like this video, subscribe to Easy Science International and hit the notification bell such that I send you notifications whenever I release new videos. Genetics. Genetics is the study of inheritance or heredity. It explains the cause of similarities and differences between parents and their offspring. The first quantitative experiments on heredity were carried out in the middle of the 19th century by Father Gregor Mendel on the garden peas. Definition of terms. A gene. A gene is in form of DNA, which is a molecule that is in full deoxyribonucleic acid. A gene is the basic unit of inheritance. It occupies a discrete position on the chromosome. The gene controls the production of enzymes, which in turn determine the metabolic processes inside the cell and eventually in the organ and the entire organism. In sexually reproducing organisms, genes occur in pairs, where each member of a pair is contributed by a female and a male parent. Alleles. Alleles are the different forms of the same gene. Alleles are genes that are responsible for the production of contrasting characteristics such as tallness and shortness in plants and animals. These alleles occupy the same locus or position on the chromosome. Genotype. This is the genetic constitution of an organism. That is to say, a particular set of alleles leading to observable characteristics. Phenotype. This is the physical characteristic of an organism determined by the genotype and the environment. Homozygous and heterozygous condition. Homozygous. As the word suggests, homo means the same. Therefore, a cell is said to be homozygous for a particular gene when identical alleles of the gene are present in both homozygous chromosomes. The cell or organism in question is called a homozygote. Heterozygous. As the word heterozygous, with its word hetero meaning different, suggests that a diploid organism is heterozygous at a gene locus when its cells contain two different alleles, one wild-type allele and one mutant allele of a gene. The cell or organism is called heterozygote. Dominant and recessive alleles. A dominant allele is an allele that suppresses another allele in heterozygous condition. It is represented with a capital letter. Recessive allele. This is an allele which only expresses its phenotype in homozygous condition. That is, in absence of a dominant allele. It is represented by a small letter. Exercise number 1. Define the following terms: haploid and diploid condition, mutation and a mutant gene. Then number 2. Name 3 categories of mutagens, in each case 2 examples.